I joined this company in 2010. Honda India Power Products is the oldest Honda company in India. I've been fortunate to be associated with this company for last 10 years, 13 years now. It has been a very exciting journey, a very enriching journey. It's been pretty exciting.
Welcome to Krishi Jagran Business. I am Krishi and today we are here with Mohit Kumar Singh, the General Manager, Product Planning and Business Strategy at Honda India Power Products Limited. So to begin with, sir, I would like to ask that how has your journey been like for more than a decade? Because we've been here for more than a decade now. So how has your experience been in this organization, in this prestigious organization?
Honda India Power Products, as you said, it is the oldest Honda company in India. And started out in the generator market. We make portable generators, which is still the mainstay of our business. But over the years, company has progressively made entry into the agriculture and the construction segments, where we are bringing the legendary Honda 4-stroke engine technology in terms of various products like water pumps, sprayers, tillers, lawnmowers, brush cutters for the Indian customer. And my journey started in year 2010 here in Honda India Power Products. And these last 13 years have been very exciting, where I have met customers across various product usage groups, right from generators to agriculture, to construction, in marine. So one thing that really has been the mainstay of my business experience here is that we have been able to meet the needs of diverse customer base across India, in line with the vision of our founder, Mr. Shoichiro Honda, of helping people get things done. So it has been pretty exciting, and I look forward to offer many more solutions in the future.
So definitely, sir. With this, as you mentioned, that there are many initiatives that your organization has taken towards the agricultural sector and in the domain, because it becomes essential to focus. It's high time to focus in the agricultural domain. So what are some of the initiatives that your company has taken towards?
Honda believes in the principle of going to the actual customer, learning from his daily working, and then developing a product which will meet his specific demand. So in that, with that guiding principle, we have been constantly going into the market, and we realize that the customer needs to experience our products. So with that vision, we launched something what we call internally as a demo man project, where we recruit a lot of local workforce and we train them on how to use our products, and they now effectively go out into the rural markets and show and make a demonstration of our products to the potential customers, explaining them the finer points and the key technological highlights of our products, which will meet their specific need. And these demonstrations that we have been doing regularly for almost now 6 to 7 years, especially in the agricultural domain, has helped the farmers to appreciate Honda technology and to see how it can work in their daily lives to make their daily operations more efficient. So that, I would say, one of the key initiatives that we at Honda India Power Products have taken for the Indian farm community.
Other than this, that Honda is one of the leading Japanese brands and car manufacturers. That Honda is one of the leading car manufacturer brand. And you as an Indian, how do you make sure that when Honda makes up to the Japanese punctuality and the culture, how do you make sure that we make up to that mark?
Okay.
Here.
So you see, the association between India and Japan goes a long way back, and in that sense, we are one of the oldest Honda company to have established a base here. We started out in year 1985, and in this September, we'll complete 38 years of US operations, successful business operations in India, something that we all at Honda are really proud of. And as you rightly said, Honda is a very popular brand, whether it comes to cars or two-wheelers. And also in power products, we are the industry leader. And the legendary Honda technology or Japanese technology, and this thought was embedded in the vision of our founder, Mr. Shoichiro Honda, who thought about how to use the Honda motorcycle technology or engine technology to meet the need of the local or the normal general population in Japan. And that is how that was the starting of Honda Power Products, and that is how the vision of helping people get things done, which you would see at most of our marketing communication. And the same needs are here in India also. And for last 37 years or 38 years now, we have been meeting those needs by offering India-centric products, India-centric models, whether it comes to power tillers, brush cutters, lawn mowers, backpack sprayers or stationary sprayers in agriculture market. And we continue to go out into the market, and especially in India with the land sizes getting smaller, our product USP, when you look across various product groups, is the portability that we offer. So our portable 4-stroke technology, which is environment friendly, helps to have portable and compact machines which meets the need of the farmers, whether it is a small tractor powered by Honda, or whether it is a tiller or a crop harvester or a reaper or a sprayer. So we are trying to offer products for every process that is involved, right from ground preparation till harvesting and transportation. So in that sense, the worldwide proven Japanese technology, the engine technology, the 4-stroke engine technology for which Honda is known, is something that we are propagating here in India, and we have a 38-year legacy of making these products in India for the Indian market, and not only for the Indian market, but for a global customer base.
So, sir, as you mentioned about the legacy of the Honda company, that it's been around more than 30 years. So 38 years.
We'll complete 38 years.
38 years. So what would you like to say about the foundation, that how do you move forward with this belief of taking the legacy forward?
Okay. So if you look at our journey of last 38 years, we started out as a generator making company. Of course, we still make generators, portable generators in the range of 1 kVA to 7 kVA, which is about 7,000 watts. So at that time, I think the focus was to provide power backup solution for the Indian customer base so that they can go on with the lifestyle. And then with the changes in time, with India being a very big agricultural, activity-based country, the focus shifted on using this engine technology on mechanizing the farms. And India is known for being the biggest producers of so many crops, so many horticulture and agricultural crops. But I think the focus of the government and for the agri and the scientific community is to bring more precision, more efficiency into our crop production to improve the quality of our produce. So in that sense, mechanization is something that has been a big focus of the government across India. And with time, if you see, the land holdings have been getting smaller, and the requirement for a durable and a good quality portable machinery is the need of the hour for meeting the needs of small and marginal farmers. So in that sense, we have utilized this last 15 to 20 years of our research into the Indian agricultural space to develop and introduce products that would meet the requirement of our farming community, like the portable water pump range that we have, that can be utilized by farmers to meet their irrigation needs depending upon the crop cycle that they are following, or the portable tillers that we have launched, which can be used very easily even by the ladies in the farm. Very easy to use. The Honda engine technology, which is known for reliable start the first time and every time. It's very effortless starting. And so there are many such features that make it gender neutral Our machines can be used equally by the ladies as well as by the men on the farmland. And the portable nature gives the convenience and the assurance to the farmer to take the machine back home after his work is done, or to shift the machine to another farm so that he can utilize the machine more and more for his daily operations. So in that sense, the machines or the products or the models that we have developed in last 37 to 38 years, going forward, we would like to offer them to a wider customer base by offering them not only as a purchase option, but maybe also a purchase through a finance option. So where it becomes more accessible for a wider customer to taste and use this technology. So that is one challenge area that we would like to make more progress on. Secondly, one of the long-term visions that I have is to offer our products as a service. Just like in the software industry, you have a subscription model where software as a service, which is a SAS model, SaaS model as we call it. I'd like to offer our machinery or make a system whereby such machinery can be available as a subscription. Like when you look at a farm, in the beginning, you have to do ground preparation. So instead of a farmer buying the product to do ground preparation, he should have an option to, just subscribe to a service provider who can come and do that operation for him, or the spraying operation, or the tilling operation, or the crop harvesting operation. Of course, the irrigation part of it is something that he has to develop the infrastructure locally. But for other operations, if we can offer product as a service, then I think we would have done our work correctly.
And so with this ease of working frequency, with increasing the frequency of work, how has the productivity been increased in the few years?
You see, to answer the question, with the increasing population, there has been a tremendous pressure to produce more output from the same limited piece of land. And at times you face quality issues, and also you face production efficiency issues. Now, for that reason, government has been promoting precision farming so that you can get more output, and at the same time it should be a sustainable output. So government talks about organic farming or sustainable farming. So in that sense, using our equipments helps to prevent those problems like problem of weeds. Now, in North India, we have this big problem of stubble burning, which not only deteriorates the ground health, but also adds to the air pollution. So, we have to introduce such machines like brush cutter, or a tiller, which can kind of turn the stubble into the soil, whereby increasing the organic matter of the soil. So, not only introducing machines, but also offering solutions which are sustainable, which can remove such problems that we are currently facing, is something that we need to work more on.
And sir, these initiatives that you just mentioned, would you like to mention some prior initiatives that were taken by the company towards enhancing agriculture on the whole?
Okay. So if you look in the past, especially I'll give you an example from the irrigation field. We had a lot of diesel generators, diesel-based water pumps that were being used, which are quite bulky, and they are also polluting. And when we met those farmers, they complained about frequent breakdown of those products, and at the same time, they could not really rely when they need to use that machine. So, recognizing that requirement, we introduced our portable water pumps, which can be shifted from one farm to the other and can also be taken back by the farmer when the operation is completed. But more importantly, he can use that machine to complete his irrigation in less time. So that helped him to reduce water loss, because if you keep running an open canal kind of a system, there's a lot of water that is lost due to seepage or because of evaporation. So those kind of efficiencies and initiatives is something that we have been able to provide, and especially not only on the plain farmlands, but also in the hilly areas where it is difficult to move from one point to the other, or you have farming that is happening in step farming. So there our portable machines, whether it is water pump or tiller or a backpack brush cutter, these have really helped the farmers to make the farm operations more efficient and more easy, I would say.
Yes.
So this also, is in line with the vision that you must have seen here of empower people to do better, so they can save more time. And if you look around the pictures, you would see pictures of a lot of happy farmers, because they can do their work more easily and also can save a lot of time and can be assured of a quality output.
This was all about the valuable insights delivered by the General Manager, Marketing and Product Planning at Honda India Power Products Limited, Mohit Kumar Singh. We'll definitely be looking forward to witnessing all the special initiatives and future projects launched by the Honda Group. Stay tuned with Krishi Jagran Business. This is Krishi Mudgal signing off.